So, hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to add gaming cursor to our PC. Let's start. Firstly, download this file, link is in the description. Now follow all these steps carefully, okay? As you can see, our cursor is being applied. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and show your support, because we really need your support. Thank you for your time. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take and bye.